If you are looking at DLF Arbour, this is not a sales video. This is also not a site walkthrough. This is an advisory conversation. DLF Arbour is being discussed by end users, long term buyers, and also by owners who are quietly thinking about resale. So let's talk clearly, without excitement, without pressure. The most common misunderstanding about DLF Arbour is that people think it is only about big apartment size. Yes, the homes are large, but size alone is not value. What actually matters is how the home feels after a few years, how private the living remains, how easy daily life becomes. सिर्फ स्क्वायर फीट देखना काफ़ी नहीं होता, रहना इजी होना चाहिए. DLF Arbour is not designed to impress you on day one. It is designed to feel comfortable year after year. You will notice simple usable layout, clear separation of rooms, balconies that are practical, not decorative. लग्जरी का मतलब सिर्फ शाइनी फिनिशेस नहीं होता. लग्जरी का मतलब होता है डेली कंफर्ट. That is where Arbour quietly performs well. A common myth is DLF है तो रीसेल ऑटोमेटिक होगा. That is no longer true. Buyers are careful, they compare options, they ask deeper questions. They look for clean paperwork, serious seller intent, limited confusion in the market. ज़्यादा लिस्टिंग ज़्यादा ब्रोकर्स बायर को कंफ्यूज करता है. Structure matters more than noise. Both buyers and sellers often rush. Buyers rush because they fear missing out. Sellers rush because they assume that interest will always convert into a buyer. They underestimate how quickly buyer attention shifts. आज का इंटरेस्ट कल का डिसीजन हो ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. In real transactions, clarity works better than speed. DLF Arbour is right for you if you want a stable, long-term home. You value privacy and space. You prefer certainty over excitement. This project is not for you if you are chasing quick resale. You want loud, flashy luxury. You change plans every year. आर्बर पेशेंस वालों के लिए है, इम्पल्स बायर्स के लिए नहीं है. फॉर एग्जिस्टिंग ओनर्स वन रियलिटी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. DLF Arbour is now seen as a resale asset, not just a new launch discussion. Serious buyers expect clear pricing logic, clean documentation, controlled representation. Mandate-based resale is not about control. It is about protecting the value of your home. एसेट को रिस्पेक्ट के साथ मार्केट में रखना बेटर रिजल्ट्स देता है. DLF Arbour is a calm, mature decision. For buyers, it rewards long-term thinking. For sellers, it rewards structured execution. This is how we evaluate projects and transactions at Propblitz. Thanks for listening.